What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm really excited to share a wonderful feature which enables us to create shortcuts for any settings from the settings menu. Yes, what you heard is right, we can create a shortcut for any settings from the settings menu and add it to the home screen in the form of an icon. We can directly tap the icon to reach that particular settings. This was earlier possible through a third-party application called Shortcut Maker or any other third-party applications which can enable us to create the shortcuts for the settings menu. But now, on the Galaxy phones, this is possible without a third-party application. Let me go ahead and show you how exactly this works. First, let me go to the settings. Now let's say I want to create a shortcut for a particular battery settings. I will just tap on search. I will search battery. You see, I have got all the settings or options associated with the battery. Now here, all I need to do is just press and hold on a particular settings. As you can see, this pop-up says add to home screen, touch and hold an icon or tap add to add it to the home screen. We get this kind of an icon which can be added on the home screen. Just tap on add. This particular shortcut for this settings is now added on the home screen. Amazing, isn't it? Now let's say I want to search something else here. I will search display. We've got all the display settings here. Now I'll press and hold on always on display and I'll add it on the home screen. Now you see this has been added on the home screen and I will be able to directly access always on display without going to the settings menu. I will just tap on this icon. It directly takes me to lock screen settings where I can tap on always on display. Likewise, we can create any shortcuts you want for any settings on the settings menu. Now this is not possible by default. You cannot really do this by default on your Samsung Galaxy phone. All you need is a good lock module called Registar which enables us to do this. Let me go to good lock. I will open a Registar module here. This is a very powerful module on Good Lock which has added some wonderful features enabling us to customize the settings menu, offers back tap action features and side key press and hold action which are customizable. We have discussed all these features in the past. Now here we have got search options. I tap on this. Now you see we have got this switch called allow creation of a shortcut. Now this is what you need to enable, this is what you need to turn on, which enables us to create the shortcuts on the settings menu. The moment you enable this, you can go to the settings and search any shortcut that you want to create. Press and hold on that option and tap on add. It directly gets added to the home screen and you'll be able to directly access these options on the home screen. That is just brilliant, isn't it? Let me know whether you have tried this feature on your Galaxy phone or not. Drop a comment, and if you want to know your phone better, this is the channel you need to subscribe to. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. We are inching closer to 100k subscribers soon. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, give this video a like if you find this video informational. And if you're interested in this wallpaper, I have left a link for that in the description. Go ahead and download it. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Sali. I'm signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.